Turkey and Pakistan have officially established a joint factory for the production of the KAAN fifth-generation stealth fighter jet that will replace the aging fleet of F-16 in both Pakistan and Turkish Air Force. DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory has developed a new ceramic-based advanced thermal barrier coating for use in Mach 9 plus hypersonic missiles for withstanding extreme temperatures. The Indian Navy has expressed a keen interest in procuring indigenous male UAVs to reduce the operational burden on its fleet of Boeing P-75I. According to an Indian Air Force official, the Astra Mark III is not expected to enter service until 2031 due to the extensive testing and validation required to ensure the missile's reliability and effectiveness in real-world combat scenarios. Tonbo Imaging has exported its Volt anti-UAV system to Armenia to bolster its counter-drone capabilities in the face of evolving aerial threats. The DRDO is developing a second-generation advanced lightweight torpedo that will feature a 100 kW magnesium silver chloride battery, which will increase the torpedo's speed from 33 knots to 47 knots. The Indian Navy is interested to deploy the 1,500 km range long-range hypersonic anti-ship missile in coastal regions, where it can serve as a deterrent against naval incursions. UP state government has given approval to its new Aerospace and Defense Unit and Employment Promotion Policy that will attract 50,000 crore rupees in defense and aerospace investments. The Defense Ministry has rejected the proposal of LRAShM and Tonbo and Spain's Navantia for not being compliant with Indian Navy requirements under Project 75I. The Defense Ministry will now move ahead with the plan to construct 6 next-generation conventional submarines, with Mazagon Dock shipbuilders successfully qualifying the technical trials that will now move to the next stage of techno-commercial negotiations, and the first submarine is expected to enter service almost 7 years after signing of a contract. With a potential budget of $25 billion for the MRFA program, experts have said that if India allows fifth-generation fighter jets in the competition, India could potentially acquire 120 to 140 F-35A depending on the configuration and life cycle costs. The per-unit price for the F-35A is approximately $80 million, but for first-time operators like India, the total program cost per aircraft is estimated at around $200 million when factoring in life cycle support infrastructure and training. After achieving success with the sale of the Trajan 155mm 52 caliber towed howitzer to Armenia, reports indicate that the L&T Nexter consortium developed Trajan is now a significant contender in the Indian Army's towed gun system tender, as it weighs only 13 tons and can be easily transported by IL-76 C-17 or A-400M transport aircraft. It has a range of more than 40 kilometers that can be increased to 55 kilometers with rocket-assisted ammunition. The howitzer has undergone rigorous evaluation by the Indian Army, involving extensive firing and mobility trials across various terrains and under diverse climatic conditions. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.